All right, so I just got back from this opening day duck hunt, and I was kind of iffy on posting this or not. The hunt was not very eventful, but what happened after the hunt was pretty eventful. So I thought I'd go ahead and at least share it and post it, and you can make, tell me what you would do. At the end, I'll tell you what I ended up doing with this situation. The reason I had a drone with me on this, it's private land, but the reason I had a drone with me on this hunt was I wanted to get some footage of my blind that I brushed in for another video, but I wanted to be able to see like what the duck sees, so I just took it with me. While it was deployed and out getting video of the blind, we started hearing some shots on, sounded like on our property, just down the way a little bit, and that's where it got interesting. So stick around, check it out, let me know what you would do, how you might do it differently. It's one of the craziest things I've ever had happen to me out in the woods. So again, you're not seeing those ones flying? Yeah. If you want to try it, I don't know they'll. I mean, they're not even coming down low enough to. Kennel. Of course they'd land out in the middle. Did they land on them? Yep. There's two. Come. You want him? Snake. How many shots was that one duck? He was a little high, but come. Come.
Assholes are getting more ducks than we are.
Mm-hmm. Trying to see if I don't see any decoys or anything.
They may not. They just might be busting them when they're flying up and down the creek, which may be. About as good a plan as any if they'd come.
Well, that one acted like it come in. Oh, they might have a few decoys over there. I wish that's where I was wanting to hunt this afternoon, so.
They'll be just sounds like just down past your deer blind.
Yeah. Fell in the water. Yeah.
Are they young or old?
Look like young kids.
They shoot another duck.
They shot. I don't know what he shot at. He's about to sink his damn waders. That's not them. That's those guys over there. He's about to. He's about to go underwater.
Is that deep?
Yeah. You know the slough is.
Yeah.
Oh man, that'd be a shame for you to fall in.
It's what?
Be a shame if you fell in. If you haven't already, checked out this company, Crew. We've started partnering with them. They have a lot of cool shirts, broadheads over bullets, archery stuff, death from above, representing stuff that we as hunters like and enjoy. Don't give your hard-earned money to Nike and Adidas. Under Armour's okay, but don't give them your money. If you're going to buy a shirt and you're going to spend 20, 30 bucks on it, buy it from a company that has the same interests that you got, the same values you got. Plus, I can save you 20% on it, and it helps the channel out as well. So RR Woods 20 when you check out, and it'll save you 20% off your order. They're doing free shipping right now on orders over, I think, 75. Check them out. Get some of their stuff. They got some really cool new releases out, so check them out. Save yourself 20%. All right, to sum this up, so what I ended up doing, I contacted all the people around me about that. The kid was hunting right on the edge of my property. It was a little bit on my property and the neighbor's property. So I thought, well, maybe it's a neighbor kid or something, which I didn't think there was much chance of that. So I contacted everybody. And everybody said no, that nobody should be hunting over there. That she does not let people hunt there. So I'm not going to call a game warden or anything. I don't know who it is. I don't have a good enough picture anyway to give Game and Fish or whatever. So I'm not going to contact them. I've got some cameras on the edge of the property. If I were to get some pictures of people walking in, trespassing, poaching or whatever, then I could turn those over to the Game and Fish. I'm going to have to just kind of monitor it, and if they come back, I'm going to have to go over there and actually confront them. I'm hoping them seeing the drone, knowing the drone was there, they know like we're being watched. We don't need to go back there anyway. That's my hope. We'll see. I'm gonna just have to kind of keep an eye on it, and if they come back, we'll have a confrontation about it. But yeah, they did not have permission to be there. So crazy thing. It's been a weird, crazy fall. Hopefully it gets better and we start just killing stuff and not having so many confrontations with police and poachers and things of that nature. So anyway, subscribe, stick around. I got a cool giveaway coming up. You won't want to miss that. Thanks.